Yo, what's up? We're back. I had like the longest weekend of my life. I'm tired. Oh, but let's get this trading over with. It looks like we have zero news today. There's like some crap at like 11:30 and stuff, but nothing we have to be worried about. Oh, but we do have... Let me see here. We've got PP news this week. Core PPI tomorrow. Core CPI Wednesday. Initial jobless claims on Thursday. So we'll see what that does. Might be a little choppy today. Jesus. All right, let's see what we got going on. What I'm seeing right here is this high, this low. What was that from? Friday? Oh, we had a quick day on Friday. I don't even know what the market did. Let's see here. Didn't we caught some moves up, right? Damn, then it just went straight down and chopped. All right, looks like we're going after that, right? That high. Yes, we are, because we got an equal high back there. 18,351. Man, what a turnaround. At all-time highs, chopping around. In the last few weeks, we've been selling off, and then it just flipped, and now we're working our way back up. We'll see what happens after 18,351 gets taken out, though. Got some equal highs on the 1 minute as well. Yo, Tyler. I saw you took some trades, but I didn't have a chance to look at it. Oh, I just got my email for my Bulanox. $148. I don't have my Top Step though. I paid for it, but probably get it this afternoon or tonight. So we'll just trade this Apex eval that we have. All right, we got the volume profile on here for the week, but everything is below where price is. One tick of drawdown. Wait, so you got stopped out on it? Oh man, I don't know if I'm gonna make it on this stream. My stomach is killing me. We'll see. We'll see what happens. Oh, you said you got 20 points, right? Yeah. Oh, it went one tick past your take profit, then it dumped. I see. Nice. It's a beautiful. Feels good when that happens, when you get out just in the right time. All right. Boolinox master account is paid. Yeah, you got a couple months. Yeah, we'll get it. We'll probably get it after lunch. Yo, Clarity, thanks. I thought it looked freaking professional. I kind of surprised myself. Just filling out this Boolinox thing. Holy crap. I gotta set up the bot too. Yo, Drew. You been doing all right? Oh, what are you going to work for? What the hell are you going to work for? It's too early. I feel like what you're doing would be once you start getting payouts and you cut back, it would be good because you have something that if for some reason you need to pick up more clients, you probably have a pretty big client base that you could just pick people back up, no problem. What bot are we using? Orb. All right, MNQ, that account. We're gonna do the 2 minutes again. We'll do a two point offset. We'll just aim for the 22 ticks again. That's been working. What's up, Evan? I meant to message you because I was out of town all weekend that I wasn't working on any bots or anything the last few days. Not that you expect or anyone expects me to do it all day, every day. Oh, I'm definitely scared, Tyler. I could do it. This is a new account. We could do it with minis. Just say F it. Nah, we'll stick with micros, and then I don't really know. I'm not sure what I'm looking at. I'm looking at on the higher time frames. We have 18,351. We have some, equal highs here. We have a high right there from Friday, and then we have another high like way back another day. Yo, Matthew, look at you showing up more often lately. Oh, yeah. Thanks for letting me know, because I can't ever tell if it's too loud or not. I think it's supposed to be there. I think that's the level I usually keep it at. You went short already. Market's not even open. Matthew, have you been getting back into... Didn't you take like a little bit of a break? So maybe you're getting back into the swing of things. All right, let's see what this does here at 9:29. Here's our 9:29 candle. Oh, hell yeah. I'm going to move this down so we can see the orders better. All right, we're going to place some orders up here and orders down here. Oh, damn, it's been a minute since you've had one. Since then, I've gone through so many fundeds. We're getting better at getting them, and we're getting better at keeping them, so everything's looking good. We're short. Should have put it on freaking minis. We should have put it on minis. Nobody told me. Would have been $200 right there. We've had, two. We've had two. I took one from Top Step back in January, and then I blew the accounts after that. And I had two fundeds, and I only took money out of one, and I could have taken money out of both, and I could have taken even more money than what I actually took. Then I blew them, and then I just checked my bank. I just got my first payout from Apex. I only took 500 because I'm trying to keep the accounts around. was wondering how long it's going to take you to say something, Tyler. Kind of like a long now. We dip down. I don't really see what we're bouncing off of, but we'll just get into 2 micros. I'm aiming for this 18351 up here. If you're scaled down, you don't really have to have a sniper entry. 2 micros, I don't need to wait for a perfect like little fair value gap to line up or anything. Yeah, that's true. That's true, Matthew. Plus, we're getting way better at freaking. I can pass them like nothing. Only the rewards. That's dangerous. You know that. Like what account am I trading or what? I think you can. Yeah, I keep failing to look at the yeah, I'm just on a I don't want to trade funded on stream. So this is just a Apex eval that I just got last week. I may I don't know. Top Step is continuing their $20 for the 50K this week. I was tempted to go buy more, but I can't. Like I was telling you last night, I don't want to buy more accounts when I've got 3 fundeds. I just had to pay funded account fees. Where is? I should probably look at that gap, right? Yeah, but what I like about that is usually during the day I get off of this computer and I don't have Quant Tower on my laptop. So if I'm working on my laptop, I stay off of trading. If I get some Top Step X accounts, I can still go trade those. Open, close. So you're thinking we go down there first, which is just great. Maybe we'll get a little reaction off of this low, come back up. We can get out and then short up in this gap. Let's be patient. I'm honestly not in any rush to pass anything else. We're just trading this to trade it. Ideally, I don't really want to be down forward micros though right now. Yeah, let's see it come up here. Ideally like 315-ish. And we could basically just reverse it. I don't have a reverse button on here. We did just go down to this point of control on Nasdaq. If that means anything. Yeah, this is just a eval. Yeah, the first trade of a funded is always so freaking... It messes with you. Ooh, nice, Alito. So that's all of them are passed now, right? I mean, there's a chance we could go higher from here, right? So you're telling me there's a chance. Let's just see what happens. Kind of sucks sitting in all his drawdown when we weren't aiming for 30 points. We're only aiming for 22. All right, I want to see how we react in this gap though. I also had a volume imbalance there. No, never mind. That's fake. I'm going to be upset and happy that we came up to basically 315. And if we roll over, because I said we could just reverse here and then short. But so I kind of want to be right in that this is the high of it, this little short-term high, and then we go down. But I also don't want to take I don't want to have a losing trade, of course. That sucks too. My thought is this is just 4 micros. I could switch over to if we need to, or I mean, if I could just leave the day as a red day. But if I don't want to do that, we could always just switch to micro or minis and scalp like we've been doing. I don't think that one's working. All right, here's this gap. Wait. Yeah, this is the gap you're talking about, Tyler, right? From the close on Friday to the open yesterday. We'll see if we get a on the 5-minute right above the gap. We've got all of this. No, it's not what you're talking about. Cool. Wait, the week closed there and oh, there's no gap there. What? I'm so confused. How is the week closed and open in the same spot, but the daily when Friday was? I'm looking at this close on Friday to then we opened up down here. So this gap. What I'm going to do is see if we get a long setup down here, and then we're going to freaking target that 351. That's what we're going to do. If we get a long setup, of course. I did take a trade on my funded accounts. Just so you guys know. Not that I have to tell you because I was planning on doing it after the stream. But I liked this. I mean, I said I was expecting us to go lower. So as we got closer to this low, I shorted in here. Just looking for a few points with 2 minis. So we're up a couple hundred on the funded. I'll show you the trade. I just can't. I got to stick to not showing it. Showing me trading this. It should be right here. Settings. Trades. Right there. As we came down and we were about to be breaking that, took a short and then covered 88 to 83. There's 5 points, 2 minis, plus 202.04. That's all I'm going to do on that account today. That's all you need. God, Quant Tower freaking sucks when you change stuff around. Going lower. We are going lower. We should have stuck to our plan of reversing up here. I put the reverse button on here for a reason. I put the reverse there for when we hit 315 and we hit 314 and a half. But then I started second guessing myself, thinking that we were turning around. Instead of just sticking with my original analysis, which is usually correct. All right. Now we're into the scap. For a reversal, I would expect a swing low with a little bit of a bullish fair value gap. As soon as we see that, I'll just mark it in and we'll place our stops and our take profits and leave it. This is good though, because now we can aim for almost 100 points. Is this going to be it? Man, I was thinking it was getting late, but it's only 9:50. Let's look at ES's daily. Didn't quite get there. I'm going to get in 2 here. And then if it comes back, we'll add. maybe up to like 4. But we're shooting for the moon. 351, or at least 350. Man, trading's boring, isn't it? Did create a little gap there. We came back in and stabbed down into it. Because of that, we'll give it one extra contract to trade with. I've got a mental stop beneath this low. Don't want it to go back down beneath. I don't want it to make new lower lows. As expected, the market slows down when we get into trades. Appreciate it. I mean, admittedly, this is like a no risk account. I don't want to trade my fundeds on the stream. I need something to trade on the stream, so I have an eval. Like, I mean, obviously it's cool passing accounts, but I'm not in any rush to pass anymore, so I'm just kind of trading to try to just to keep adding to my experience. Brother fist. Oh, this is going lower. Maybe. I mean, we've been on a pretty good winning streak, so we must sacrifice a day to the trading gods for a. We have to give up a day every once in a while. It's just part of the plan. Now, what I and all of you struggle with is giving up a small red day and just stopping. And we all make that one red day that comes a day where we give back 3 weeks worth of gains in one day. And you're like, wait, why did I do that? That could have just been a small red day if I just stopped. Blood for blood. Yeah, we got one on a 5-minute. That's what I was looking at earlier. That's right above this new day gap. I mean, things are looking all right. Oh, we're back in the green. Look at that. Freaking out for nothing. Oh, Delta. Where'd you go long at? Oh, okay. At least you took profit. We'll add 2 more because this looks pretty. This looks tasty now. This looks real tasty now. Yes, it is Delta 18266. Oh, nice. You didn't want to keep a stop at the lows? That's only 15 points. What happened? I'm not faulting you or anything. I'm just trying to dig into your mind to see what's going on. I hear you. I hear you. All right, let's just rip up higher. I like this little red candle right here, but we got to get through all that. Yo, I am too Delta. Like, the internal battles I have when I take a loss, even I'm like verbalizing, I don't really care about this account, but taking that loss earlier, like, it freaking just destroys me. I feel like I feel like I can't trade. I can't read the markets. I don't know what I'm doing, but we can't take, nobody can be 100%. Nobody can have a 100% win rate, which means if you want to be a trader, you have to take red trades. But it's so hard to accept them. Like, I still struggle so much with them. We've got a OTE short entry up here on the 5-minute up at 315. So we're going to have to be careful with that. Like, I think we're going higher up to that 351, but we're not always right. So I need to be aware that there's a good short opportunity right here. So we need to think about maybe exiting there. And we got in at 277. That'd be 40 points. That'd be respectable, right? And we're in 5 micros. Before this trade, we're down 230, and right now we're up 190. So we're almost back to break even. If we get up there, we'll definitely be in the green for the day. I'm a little worried about getting through this section right here. Just a little worried, but I believe in her. back down into this area. I only look at ES on a 5-minute, but they look pretty similar at the moment, at least for the 5-minute. Took out the same lows, overnight lows, or not overnight lows, but just the same lows at the same time on the 5-minute. The only difference is Nasdaq has come back up at about halfway of this move so far. Yeah. Whereas ES has not. ES is a little bit under halfway. But it's all right. I think we'll be in real good shape. I don't really want to have a... I don't want this trade to be a losing... we're just going to leave our stop there. Whatever. This should hold us. If not, then we were wrong and we're not going higher. We were offered 22 points. I'm looking for like a minimum of 50. I'm just taking wherever it's at. I don't. I have a lot to do today and getting impatient, which means I'm going to make bad decisions. So I'd rather just take we're down 151. Minus 151 on an evaluation, and I'm green on a funded. That's a good day, in my opinion. But I'm just going to leave the day there. We will... What was it that John said? We'll submit to blood for blood. We'll let them have a red day. It's small, so who cares? I could add if I add minus 151 plus my 202, we're technically green, right? So we're actually green on the day. Plus 202. We're up 51, even though it's deceiving because the 202 is real. real money, and the minus 150 is fake money. It is green. Or we are green. Technically, just not on this account. But this could come back down here and then take forever to come back up. And like I said, it's only 10:12, but I'm kind of getting impatient because I have to go do a bunch of yard work today, and I have an appointment later, and just worried about trying to get everything done that I need to get done today. But we're just gonna end everything there. You guys stick to your plans as usual. That's what we do around here, right? I gotta mow, weed eat, and then we got a bunch of freaking weeds growing all through a gravel driveway I gotta deal with. Not looking forward to it. And today's the only day we could do it because it's supposed to rain for the next 7 days. Soon we'll be taking so many payouts that I can just pay a crew to come do it. All right, you guys have a good rest of your day. Tomorrow we have that PP news in the morning, so if you're trading that, be careful. We got PPI, core PPI at 8:30. Oh, and we got some Feds talking at 9:10 and at 10 a.m. tomorrow morning. So we're gonna have to, yeah. All right, you guys have a good one. Be careful the rest of your day. This is frustrating how slow it's moving now, but probably because of the news the next couple of days. I don't know. Nobody knows. You guys have a good one, and see you in the morning.